Morning guys, welcome back to the farm, and we're starting second cut part 2 I guess today. So well, actually yesterday technically I mowed about a 6-acre piece yesterday morning. Then we got some rain, not a big deal, and I just finished another piece today. It's probably, I don't know, about 12 acres. So that's done. Now I got a couple more pieces to mow here right now. So we're gonna knock out a little bit more. Dad is raking the piece that I cut yesterday, and we'll probably be putting it in tomorrow. So here we go. Well, I got my mowing done. It took an extra day, but anyway, that's the way she goes. So I finished up this morning. I think I finished up. Anyway, we'll see. There's another piece we may cut, may not. We're gonna just feel it out, I guess. But anyway, for now, I got my mowing done, and as you can see in the last clip there, at least, we're chopping silage now. Dad got a bunch of raking done, and then another guy that comes and helps us out occasionally got some more raking done for us. So anyway, we're chopping now, down to two wagons like I mentioned in the last video. So that's kind of slowing things up a little bit, but not too bad right now, at least, because we're fairly close to the farm. So when we get further away now, the third wagon would have really helped. But anyway, so the 60-foot silo, the bigger of the two silos, is starting to get pretty full. I was just up there last load, and we were about 2.5 blocks below the unloader. We can raise it up a little bit more, which we may have to yet, but we're hoping to get this field in today, and then it'll probably settle a little bit overnight, maybe get another field in tomorrow. We'll just, it's just the way it goes when you start getting near the end. Like, the silo's getting full, you just gotta feel it out. So our plan is, once this one is full, we're going to switch over to the little silo again and put more in that, and hopefully we'll be able to feed that out before corn. At least that's the hope. So yeah, I'll show you guys some footage of chopping silage here, and check in later, I guess. Well, we're moving right along. Just had to replace a tire on this wagon. We just switched it with the wagon that's down. And not sure what happened. It must have a hole in it. It was flat on the bottom, and just for now we'll switch it out. I don't know if there's a tube in it or what. I think there is, but anyway, we'll fix that later on. Just got to get through the day here. We got probably one, maybe a little bit more load left on this field. Took 2 off it so far, so we're gonna get what we can in the silo from this field. Then we're gonna switch over to the little silo, the 50-footer. So anyway, it's just about finished raking it up here. He's somewhere, I'm not sure where, but anyway, it's about lunchtime, so we'll get back at her after lunch, I guess. Well, the party's over. I guess I gotta head up the silo. So I'm up here at the top of the silo, getting pretty full. We're gonna let it settle overnight and try to get 2 more loads in it tomorrow. Well, Dad's out there chopping the last load on that field. We just chopped 1 load. My uncle's on the way home with it. So I'm gonna go up the silo again. We're gonna try to get these 2 loads in, and then we're gonna cover it. And then that'll be it for all the silage that's down. I'm not sure if we're gonna cut some more and put it in the other silo or what. We'll have to see how that plays out. So anyway, here we go. All right, just a quick update. Getting pretty full. It's starting to touch the bottom of the unloader. We're gonna try to fit some more in. Might have to get in here and level a bit and then put more in. We're gonna see how it goes. So got a load or a little less than a load left to fit in here. So we'll try to make it happen, I guess. There's my uncle coming with the load now. Dad's walking behind him. You see quite a ways from up here. It's kind of like a poor man's drone. It's a long way down. So, fun times. I was little. Used to get in and out of here when I was little. Head first. I don't know if that's a good idea or not.
It's not as level as I envisioned.
Isn't it? I'm trying here, but I can't get my foot in. Well, I guess I can't do it. My leg isn't short enough.
You put your foot in first?
No.
You put one foot in first.
I just tried that. But let me try again.
There you go.
I got one in now. Got one in now. Oh, there we go. It seems like it was easier when I was younger.
You're only 31.
Well, not that I'm old, but I mean I was smaller.
There's nothing you can do with lower diet.
Huh?
Lower diet, if you shrink yourself some.
Yeah, well, I get shorter too.
That.
What about my shoulders? Do they get narrower?
Your belly won't get in the way and you're going to lift your leg.
Well guys, that's that silo filled up, the bigger of the two. So next thing we're going to do is move on to a little bit of third cut. Actually, that's the end of the second cut, so we got a little bit of third cut to do, but that will be in the next video. So until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.